Hello friends, this is Rajesh and you are watching my channel Rinku Art. I have received some drawings from my subscriber. I'll correct one of his drawing today because I need to explain the problems what he is facing while drawing the cartoons. So it may take some time, and I want to thank Suhas ji for sending me your drawings. Even he has sent me his video as well, but that I will demonstrate or I will explain you in some other videos. But first, today in this video I want to see if I'll explain you the problems you are facing, then it is helpful for you or not. So please comment me below if it works or not. Okay, so let's start the video.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So here I have imported the image of my subscriber, and I'll reduce the opacity or the alpha of this image, and I will first find out what is the issue in this drawing. So to find that, I'll draw roughly the body construction. Because in my case, if I'll do some mistakes, then it is visible to me, but if I'll correct someone's drawing, then I need to find out wrong or where the issue is. That's why I used to do the construction, which I am doing over here, to see what is the problem in this drawing. So roughly I have decided the thing which I will draw while doing the detailing. So here the hands, I am getting some issues, so that I will correct while doing the detailing. So now I am going for the detailings. Here the eyeballs are not looking at the same direction, that's why I am fixing this also. So whenever you are drawing the eyes or the face, put more concentration on the eyeball, where both the eyeball is looking at. You can put small lines to give more definition. And the nose is nice, but I am changing a little bit because I used to do the same nose, that's why I am just changing a little bit. And the ears, it should come inside because it is 3/4, so that ear is towards the camera, so it will look little clear and it will come forward on the cheek. I'm just finding out the shape of this character because it should look nice. The shapes you should always practice for the face. There are different shapes, you can use it. This is also not bad, but I am thinking I need to do little bit changes. Here the mouth is good, but you need to learn different types of mouths. I think I have in my videos, so please go and watch that video, or else I'll upload that too also in future. The mouth is also done. Let me check the ear here. So here the ear will visible very less, and only a line is enough for the interior ear. Hairs are also good. I will just change a little bit. These are very small changes I am doing. These are not the fault. You can go with that, but only thing here I have observed is the eyeball direction. it should be in the same direction, and the eyebrow should be above the eyes. It should not go beyond that. Already I have done the construction which is there in my mind, so I'm planning how to draw that. Okay, so after doing the neck and the round of the t-shirt, I'll plan from where the shoulder will start. So I'm planning to do from here and here, but it is going a little down. You need to do it very slowly. You need not have to hurry, because it will take some time to observe the mistakes and rectify that. Even if you are doing for the first time, you have to do it slowly, observing everything with the face and comparing also. Like, it should not be different from the face and body should look the same. So here I have done the center line of the chest, middle line you can say, so that you can understand from where it is going, and you should know where the chest is turning. Okay, and the hands, you should be very clear. So what I'll do, I'll just do a rough of the hands, and then I'll join the arm with the remaining part of the arm. So just a rough I'm doing over here to see whether that is compensating the other hand or not. Here the shape of the hand you should see very carefully, because what you have done, Suhasji, it is like elbow, it is not looking that much appealing. So you need to work more on these hands. Okay, and arms as well. The fingers are like very simple and very easily you have done, but that is not looking that appealing. So you need to work more on fingers, like I am doing over here. If you are holding, if the character is holding something, how it will look. I think I need to make a video on that also. But let me complete the pending requests from you all to make video on, and then I'll go for hands also. So now the other side of the hand, that is the left side of this character. Again I need to observe and see that the shoulder should be little higher as compared to the right one of the character. And you, if you can observe, see the line of the hand of the t-shirt, it is not going straight, but the thing you can see in my drawing is that the line is according to the motion of the hand. See, I am doing the rough only to get a basic idea whether this hand is looking good on this character or not. So you need to do this type of roughs like I have done here in light color, or you can use light pencil if you are doing on the paper. See, I have just done the construction of the hand. Okay. So it is looking quite good, but some changes I will do. I could have spread the fingers more, but the expression will not match the fingers, because if the expression is more horrified or he's afraid of something, then I can make it more spreading of the fingers. So I'm just fixing the shoulder. So now I have started the detailing slowly, and the dark lines I am using where I am confident that this line is accurate and appropriate for this character. So now here I need to draw the fingers. Before that I need to erase the lines lightly, and now I'll start drawing the fingers. So you can do roughly, but it should look good. Now the left hand, I need to erase it once again with the lighter eraser. Try to use those tools which I am using, because that will be helpful for you if you are a beginner. I am using that light eraser, and after erasing I can draw my final lines or the detailed lines. Here I am putting the shadow. And next I think I need to rotate it a bit to draw a clear and detailed line. You have this option in your software, so you can use it. Even if you are doing on the paper, you can rotate your paper and draw it, because already you have done your rough. So on that you can do your detailing. That too also you need to do very slowly and observe and compare it with the remaining part of the body, or the other hand also you need to check while drawing this hand, because it should not look different from the other hand. And here slowly you will complete the fingers as well. You can take the reference from your hand, how you are holding something, pen or bottle, how is your hand position, that you can draw as you can take the reference from your hand itself. So as you can see, that is also done. I think it is more exaggerated, but you can reduce it if you want. So now you can see I have completed both the hands and it is looking little similar, but now I can observe that the wrist is little thin in left side. Okay, let me complete the lines to show that this is a t-shirt. Need to do the foldings to make it look realistic. Okay, so whatever changes you want to do, you can do over here by zooming your character. Now I am hiding the layer and try to see if the character is looking good or not. Let me do the dark line here and the foldings clearly. These are secondary things you can add in your drawing, but you need to have that observation. Okay, whenever you are looking any pictures, then observe these things. So here I am just doing the secondary things as I have told you, the fingers, nails. Okay, so now I'll have some comparison with the image. So that's why I'm just shifting my drawing to right hand side and see whether it is looking good or not. So here it is, this is the final drawing, and I felt like some issue is there in my drawing as well, so I'll fix it and let you know. So now I am going to fix the wrist and check both the hands if they are looking identical or not. So always check your drawing before submitting the drawing to your client. So for you who are sending me your drawings, I am your client. So check it twice, cross check the drawing and send it to me. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, hit the thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon hitting to all. So take care and bye bye.